The multi-billion dollar industry of AI is here to transform your productivity, and HubSpot's AI is on the front line of this innovation push. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to implement HubSpot's AI to transform your business so you don't get left behind. Hey everyone, my name's Gabrielle, the head of sales here at On the Fuse, your elite HubSpot partner. And for the past 8 years, we have helped over 1,000 businesses audit, clean up, and optimize HubSpot so they can focus on strategy and growth and get the maximum ROI from their HubSpot investment. Today, we're talking about everything Breeze AI, which is HubSpot's powerful suite of AI tools. And by the end of this video, you will understand what Breeze is, how its three powerful components work, and whether or not it's right for your business. Plus, at the very end, we'll share practical implementation tips so you can avoid common mistakes when implementing this for your business. With that, let's jump in. So, what exactly is HubSpot Breeze? Breeze is HubSpot's suite of artificial intelligence or AI tools. Basically, you can think of Breeze as your assistant that lives inside your HubSpot account. It can see everything that's happening across the CRM or your marketing, content, sales, and service hubs. Basically, it connects the dots between what's happening, different notes or meetings on a client or a deal that you're working, helping you and your team work faster. Breeze is a big investment for HubSpot. It was originally announced at their Inbound 2024 conference, and really it represents HubSpot's massive commitment to making sure no HubSpot users are left behind in this AI revolution. And in true HubSpot fashion, it doesn't require extensive training like a lot of AI tools do. Breeze can literally start providing value within minutes of activation. There are three key parts of Breeze that you need to know about. They're called Breeze Copilot, Breeze Agents, and Breeze Intelligence. Let's break down how each of these tools can help you grow your business. First off is Breeze Copilot. You can think of Copilot as your second in command within HubSpot. Copilot helps with things like drafting emails, summarizing information quickly, automating repetitive tasks, and much more. This can help your marketing and sales teams create clear, consistent messages faster, freeing them up for more important work. For our full review with more use cases on Breeze Copilot, check out this video. Next is Breeze Agents. Agents are like an army of little workers handling your behind the scenes tasks. They can automate routine jobs like follow ups, data checks, or routing leads. Basically, this frees up your team to focus on solving tricky, high level problems and building client relationships or closing deals. For example, Breeze Prospecting Agent can instantly analyze new leads and help draft personalized introductory emails for your sales reps to review and then send, reducing the amount of manual outreach they have to do. Breeze agents are actually one of the most interesting features of this new technology. So we made a whole video to explain everything on how it works, from what plan you need to use, and even some use cases that you can see in action. So make sure to check out that video here. Last but not least is Breeze Intelligence, and it is about uncovering valuable information. This feature removes hours of manually digging through data by identifying different important patterns and insights within your client database. It can also offer data enrichment features similar to those of a Zoom Info or a seamless AI. So, a great example here. If you do need intelligence for your sales and marketing teams, it can help identify patterns in successful deals and highlight similar opportunities so your team can actually focus on those opportunities. Then you can use the data enrichment features to enrich the missing emails or phone numbers or company data to prioritize outreach to those hot prospects. It's really important to know that Breeze Intelligence uses a credit system. So we covered the entire credit plan they offer along with other features in our Breeze Intelligence over video. So make sure to go check that out here. Now, I know we just covered a lot of information, so you might be wondering, is Breeze actually a good fit for us? Let's break that down now. Breeze is likely a strong match for you if one, you've already been using HubSpot. So Breeze is built into HubSpot. So the biggest value comes if you're already invested in or seriously considering the HubSpot platform. Two, you want to boost team productivity. Are there areas in your marketing, sales, or customer service where your team spends way too much time on repetitive tasks? Three, you need better insights from your data. Do you feel like you have a lot of data in HubSpot, but you struggle to quickly find the key takeaways for decision making? Four, you're focused on scaling. Of course, as your business grows, are you looking for ways to handle more leads, more clients, and more projects without having to increase headcount unproportionally? And fifth and last is you value an integrated system. Do you prefer having tools work together seamlessly in one platform rather than juggling multiple separate apps? Now, if you nodded along to at least 3 out of 5 of these points, then Breeze is a great fit for you. We would highly recommend exploring the specific Breeze features available in your HubSpot plan to start enhancing your team's productivity and generate massive ROI from HubSpot. Now, how do you get started with Breeze AI? Breeze AI is accessible as a dedicated section in your HubSpot's left-hand navigation bar. When you first enter the Breeze section, you have 3 main areas to explore. The Copilot, a virtual assistant that integrates across HubSpot to help automate tasks and assist users in real time. Then you have agents, automates manual tasks like prospecting, follow-ups, and data updates to streamline your workflows. And then you have intelligence. This helps identify potential leads, analyze buyer intent, and enrich contact and company data. If you're just getting started with Breeze, do not make this mistake. The number one mistake we see most companies make when implementing Breeze is that they just try to implement all these features at once without having a strategic plan to roll out AI. Ultimately, this can overwhelm your team and creates resistance to adoption. Instead, we recommend start with one high impact use case and expand gradually as your team becomes more comfortable with the technology.
Why? Why? You didn't.
Oh, no, I touched it by accident. If you're overwhelmed amongst this AI revolution, or you just don't know what you don't know and need a little bit of help with HubSpot, we have helped over 1,000 companies audit, clean up, and optimize HubSpot. Use the link in the description today to book a free consultation for an expert to review your current setup, and then we'll share exactly how other companies have optimized HubSpot. So book a call now, and I hope to see you there. Now, if you want to master HubSpot's full suite of AI tools, make sure to check out our other in-depth tutorials. Bye.